Today we'll be showing you how to replace your front cover for your PlayStation Portable. Please follow along, and we do not accept any responsibility for any damage you may incur. As you can see, the screen has a line across the left side. We will be replacing the screen and the front cover. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver, your faceplate, your replacement screen, and some patience. There's one here, here, here. There's 3 screws under the battery cover, which are here, here, and in the bottom left. Take your screen as follows and pry it apart as so. It'll take just a little bit of force, but the screen should come apart. You'll have to remove the screen clips that are attached here and also on the opposite side. Be careful not to break these clips, as they're very easy to break. Just take your screwdriver and pry it up. Once you have it popped out, use your finger to hold the screen out, because the screen wants to pop back in place. So once you have it pried out, use your finger to hold the screen up. And again, please take care not to break the clips, as they break very easily. Pick the screen up as follows, and as you will see, there are more ribbon cables underneath. We will need to remove both of these ribbon cables to remove the screen. The cables just lift straight up. The one on the right you have to lift up from the back to be able to remove. Once they are lifted up, you can just pull the screen right out of the system. We will be putting the new screen back into your system. Just slide the cables back into the clips and press the clips down to ensure that they hold the cables. Once your screen has been replaced, take any kind of microfiber cloth and clean your screen. Ensure there are no fingerprints or debris on the screen. And if you want to test, just insert your battery into your PSP, turn it on, and you can test to make sure you've inserted the screen correctly. Take your home button bezel and reinsert it on the bottom of your screen and attach the ribbon cable as follows. You'll want to remove your thumbstick from the original faceplate by removing 2 small screws on the sides and then placing them into your new faceplate. Remove your Start, Select, Home, and Volume buttons from your original faceplate as shown in this segment and place them into your new faceplate. Insert your shoulder buttons as follows. They can be tricky to reinsert, but once they're there, they should be fine. Before you completely reassemble the faceplate, take your microfiber cloth and clean the LCD screen along with the inside of the faceplate to ensure there is no dirt or debris whenever you reassemble your screen. Again, reinsert your screws, which are as follows. And congratulations, you have completely replaced your LCD screen and your faceplate cover.